Time to install some GE diff. G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're here in Brandon's factory with his GQ and the GE disc behind us. They are all ready to go in the car. So in today's video, we're going to be doing the great fun job of installing them. So I think we're going to start with the rear diff because it's probably the easier of the two, so you don't have to deal with steering. I think we're going to fork up the back of the car, pull the old diff out, put the new one under, mount to the suspension. Hopefully it should be fairly easy, but you never know what can happen. But yeah, I think we should crack straight into it. So we got Brandon here.
Regretting life.
Brandon, you're regretting life. What are we doing today? YouTube knows what we're doing, but let's see if you can explain it.
No. I don't want to fucking explain.
Brandon had the great idea of going out drinking last night. So he's feeling it today.
Let's get some electrolytes and
Get the body moving.
Show up a couple of times, then we'll be right. And then we'll be sweet.
Beautiful. So here's this terrible factory GQ diff. By the end of it, we want the tyres all the way out here. I've actually got a little something in the back of the van for this thing for later. Well, it's for my car. I was supposed to show them off on YouTube a couple videos ago, but all the videos just ended up bad and just not worth doing. That's why I sort of haven't uploaded something in a while, so hopefully you guys get some enjoyment out of this. But I actually traded for a set of 37-inch straps. So they're on beadlocks as well. If you follow my Instagram or TikTok, you'll know. But yeah, so when we get the GE diffs in this, we're going to test fit them. They're on neg 38, so they're super wide. And yeah, we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, we'll crack straight into the rear diff, set these up for a bit of a time lapse while we're pulling it out. And yeah, let's get into it.
So to get started, we're just going to unbolt all the things that we can from underneath. So the shocks and the panhard, and then we'll lift up the back of the car and get the rest out.
Going. You scratch it. Just gonna have
As you can see here, everyone, the disgusting old GQ diff is out of the car.
Full sale.
For sale, Australian Marketplace. If you want, come get it. He'll give it to you. You heard it first.
Wow.
For free.
Wow.
What we're gonna do is put it on jack stands, take the wheels off, put them on the new diff, make our life easier.
Well, braided brake line, so
Oh yeah,
hopefully,
the braided lines.
I don't see why not, but hopefully they just bolt up.
They should do, but yeah, we're gonna start taking anything we need off this, putting the final parts in that, and then we'll roll.
Maybe we should reuse the oil.
Reuse the oil?
Yeah.
Seems like a good idea.
Tight ass today.
Great idea.
We got
There's a pain in my chest that I can't describe. It takes me down and leaves me there. When I talk to the night, I can feel it stare. It creeps inside and meets me there. At least I'm alive. At least I'm alive. Believe me, believe me, believe me, believe me. Ooh, coming back again. Coming back again. Make it right.
So here we got the fancy brakes. Let's have a look. Oh, look at them. Slotted rotors.
Oh no, but they fucking fit, so.
Oh,
There's a dawn in my sound when I hear my name. It makes me high. I feel the shame. At least I'm alive. At least I'm passage in my mind with crooked teeth and hungry eyes, and all that shown to me when I walk alone. Pieces high, got anything
let's do this. you can see the difference in width, but it's actually not too crazy. When he gets wider offset rims, it'll be pretty cool. We're going to tighten everything up underneath, go a bit of a feed, and then we'll continue on with the front diff. Alright, so we just finished having some lunch. Now it is time to start the front diff. So we're going to pull it off the table and then put some blocks on the ground over there, so it'll be easier for us to then put the wheels on a bit later. But yeah, let's get it on the ground. So we've moved the diff down onto the ground. Now I'm going to set these up and start taking some parts off the GQ. So we're about to pull the diff out. The camera ran out of storage, so I didn't get the rest of unbolting everything. Don't know where it stopped. Set that one up with a few things and then put it straight under. Don't know how much I'm going to film because I can't film much on the phone for storage. But yeah, we'll film whatever I can. And yeah, let's do it. So we got the wheels off that one, and now we're just putting all things we need to. So brake line, need to put the tie rod on, and then I think there's a few other things that need to go back on. But yeah, we'll get those on, and then we'll record it putting it back under the car. Righto, it's all back together. All the brake lines, wheels are on. We're just gonna get it off these little stands here, and then should be ready to roll straight onto the car. So we've just finished filling up the diffs. We're a little short on the front, so Brandon's gonna go fill the diffs up tomorrow, finish it off, get some more oil. If you're doing this at home and they don't have the squeeze bottles or you don't have a funnel or whatever, what we did was we got a bit of copper pipe, sort of cut it like that. Oh, spilling oil everywhere. Gave it a little bend in it just to give us a good angle like that into the diff. And we got an old squeeze soap, dish soap bottle, and just filled it up with the funnel into here. And then we were able to do that for the first half of the bottle, and then we just got, Brandon was holding that in the diff. while I finish pouring that in there. But yeah, now it's all done. We'll block it up and have a good look at it. So it's all finished now behind us. The diffs are in. I think it's now time that we have a good look at it.
I wanna heal, I wanna feel what I thought was never real. I wanna let go of the pain I felt so long. Erase all the pain till it's gone. I wanna heal, I wanna feel like I'm close to something real. I wanna find something I wanted all along, somewhere I belong. And I've got nothing to say. I can't believe I didn't fall right down on my face. I was confused.
Alright, so I think this will be the end of the video now. Well, it will be. We hope you all enjoyed it. It was a long process, especially when one is hungover. Can't imagine that. Glad no one here was. I think, Brandon, you're happy with the diffs.
It might not look like it, I'm just joking. Yeah. They look awesome.
Yeah. So the last couple of things that will have to be done is there's actually currently no brakes operating because he's got a GU booster and we just didn't have time for it. It's now 5 o'clock, it's Sunday. We both want to go home. So we got the diffs in though, diffs filled with oil, they all work, full drive works. Next things Brandon will have to do is actually set up the lockers, so run the air lines and everything and fix his compressor, and then do the brakes, bleed brakes, new fluid, and I think that's it. Sorry again for the late upload or a couple weeks wait, but apart from that, hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you all in a couple weeks. See ya.